Hello to all my friends out there. So here are my pumpkin donuts. These are tasty. They're very easy to make too. It was hard to talk straight when I was frying with the boiling hot oil. These donuts are good. I bought this for $1 at Dollar Tree. I want to be festive, but I don't want to spend much money. Why should I? But I want to show you some cute stuff. Some of you may have seen this dish towel I bought. I was going to buy some more, but I couldn't find any cute ones. I bought these napkins for $1 at Dollar Tree. And then I bought some cookie cutters. I used the round one for my donut. I thought these will come in handy anyway. $1. Let me give you the pumpkin donut recipe again. I just follow the directions. Let me show you the front. I think one of the followers got one of these. I got it at a thrift store. I make all kinds of things out of there. All right, and then I use glaze. When I just made a half a batch because I just made a half a batch of donuts. And then the rest of the donuts I rolled in powdered sugar. They would also be really, really good with cinnamon and I don't know which ones are the best. The ones, you know, that I rolled in powdered sugar or the ones that I put the glaze on. They're both good and they're cheap too. Okay, you guys, happy Halloween, and I will be back.